So our final site is located at the bit of the top of a hill, but around here that usually means it has a view. The parking for this site is located right here. You can see in this space where these trucks are parked. You can easily then take your things and head up this, which we're gonna build a staircase here in the future, but we wanna get the actual deck built first. So this is a 18 foot by 18 foot deck. It has everything built to code, handrails, steps up to it. And we picked this location up this hill, not to annoy you, but because it has a spectacular view. And so we plan on renting this out for events. We're gonna have meals up here, movie nights, film screenings. It's gonna be used as a stage. But you can see that view. And so once we're finished, hopefully in about a week, it's a lot of lumber, we'll be able to use this space for tents. I mean, we could fit a huge yurt here. We also have trails directly leading from this site uphill. So you can definitely use this one to get out and about. But this one's gonna be live probably in about 2 weeks, so check out the site to see it if you want to. You can see the trail now leading uphill. A really cool swing up there that you have to go check out.